Want to turn on quiet mode on Instagram? Here's how to enable it step by step. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram. If you see an update button, tap it. Once updated, open Instagram. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Notifications. Here, look for quiet mode. Tap on it. Now turn the toggle on. You can also set a start time and end time to schedule quiet mode automatically. During quiet mode, Instagram will mute notifications and show others that you're not available. If you don't see quiet mode, you may see pause all instead. Tap pause all and choose how long you want notifications to be muted. And that's it. That's how you turn on quiet mode on Instagram. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.